Filing of FIR is mandatory if information discloses a cognizable offence, Supreme Court. In a significant ruling, the Supreme Court of India has clarified that if a police station receives information about a cognizable offence under Section 154(1) of the Code of Criminal Procedure, CRPC, it is mandatory to register an FIR, First Information Report. Key highlights of the judgment. A bench comprising Justice B.R. Gavai and Justice S.V.N. Bhatti made this observation while hearing the case of Amit Kumar v. Union of India. The court ruled that police officers have no discretion to refuse the registration of an FIR if they receive credible information about a cognizable offence. Supreme Court's observations. 1. Mandatory obligation of police to register FIR. Section 154(1) of the CRPC makes it clear that when information about a cognizable offence is received, the police are duty-bound to register an FIR. 2. Verification of complaint not required before FIR registration. The police cannot refuse to register an FIR on the grounds that they need to verify the authenticity of the complaint first. 3. Clear obligation on police. Once an offence is reported, the police must begin an investigation rather than deciding whether the case deserves an FIR. 4. Ensuring justice for victims. Denial of FIR registration would be equivalent to denying justice to the victim. What is a cognizable offence? Cognizable offences are those where police have the authority to investigate and make an arrest without prior approval from a magistrate. Examples include murder, rape, kidnapping, rioting, theft, and dowry death. Impact of this judgment. Limits police discretion. The police cannot refuse to file an FIR based on personal judgment. Strengthens victim rights. Ensures that victims have direct access to the legal system without unnecessary delays. Promotes accountability. Prevents police inaction and ensures proper investigation procedures. This judgment reinforces the fundamental principle that justice should be accessible to all and should not be hindered by procedural hurdles.